Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple process of logging into your Lyft driver portal. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth experience. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Navigate to the Lyft driver portal. In the address bar, type in www.lyft.com/driver and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the Lyft driver portal login page. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the login page, you will see a field asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Lyft driver account. Step 4. Enter your password. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 5. Click Login. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your driver portal. Step 6. Enable two-factor authentication, if required. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code via text or email. Enter this code in the provided field and click Verify. Step 7. Explore your driver dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Lyft driver dashboard. Here you can manage rides, track your earnings, and access support resources. Make sure to keep your login information secure and log out after using the portal, especially on shared or public devices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and insights. Thank you for watching.